Today, we're diving deep into the world of leaks and rumors, and boy, do we have a doozy for you. Brace yourselves for the first ever real life hands on look at the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. That's right, we're talking about the real deal here, folks, not some fancy prototype. We've got two videos that are shaking up the tech world. The first one, proof positive that this isn't a figment of someone's imagination, it's a working device. And the second video, well, that's where the real fun begins. Let's talk design. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is a total makeover. Gone are the fingerprint magnet glossy sides. Hello, sleek matte finish. It's like Google decided to listen to us and give us a phone that actually looks good. And don't even get me started on the camera bump. It's a complete redesign, and it's looking pretty sharp if I do say so myself. But wait, there's more. Thanks to the amazing folks over at Twitter, specifically user Mystery Lupin, we've got our hands on some seriously juicy details and photos. It seems Google is having a bit of trouble keeping this phone under wraps because leaks are pouring out faster than we can keep up. Let's break down the specs. Under the hood, we've got Google's own Tensor G4 chip paired with the Titan M2 security chip. That's a powerful combo right there. You're looking at 16 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage, so you won't be running out of space anytime soon. The display is a gorgeous 6.8-inch OLED panel with a mind-blowing 3000 nits of brightness. And don't worry, it's protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2, so it can handle a few drops. Now let's talk cameras. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is packing some serious firepower. We're looking at a 42 megapixel selfie camera for those perfect selfies, a 50 megapixel main camera, a 48 megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 48 megapixel telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom. That's a camera setup that's going to give other phones a run for their money. We don't have official battery life details yet, but rumors are pointing to a 5060 mAh battery with support for 45-watt wired charging. Wireless charging, we're still waiting on that info. But hey, 45-watt wired charging is nothing to sneeze at. So there you have it, folks. The Google Pixel 9 Pro XL is shaping up to be a real contender in the smartphone market. What do you think of this leaked information? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech goodness. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.